Guys, I have exciting updates for you. Firstly, your choices. You chose these seats. We think they're really cool, retro seats. We can't wait to get them in the car. The next thing that you need to give us some input on, before we can put them in the car, we need to know what material to put on them. So that's the thing that you guys are going to be helping us with next. Also, come and check out the car. Here's the suspension, the one we looked at in the last video, fully adjustable, fully height adjustable suspension with all new top mounts, looks really cool. Check out the engine bay. We've started to detail it. Come and have a look at some of these little details. We've started to zinc plate all the parts of the engine. We've got a bit of work to do, but it's not quite there. The Figaro wiring loom, that's all in the car now. Front to back, Figaro wiring loom all the way, so that gives us the ability to have something that's a bit more advanced than the power wiring loom that was in the car. And what comes with the wiring loom being in place is it now runs. Pretty noisy because it's got no exhaust, but we're also going to make a stainless exhaust system to go on the car. Next step for us, get it in the body shop, start bolting some panels on. Next step for you is look out and get involved later in the week in the material. I don't know what you guys think is going to go with purple, but we're going to leave it down to you to decide. So keep helping us, guys, and we'll keep building it. See ya.